Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to join Filmora affiliate program. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser on a PC. After opening up your browser, you'll have to go to the search bar and type in Filmora affiliate program. Hit enter and you will see some search results. On this page, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to the link that says filmora.wondershare.com. Wondershare Filmora affiliate program. So click on this link and you will see this page opening up. So the text on this page says sign up for an affiliate network, promote Filmora products and get paid. So scroll down on this page. Now the process is signing up for an affiliate network, promoting and getting paid. So if you want to sign up for Filmora affiliate program, you'll have to sign up for an affiliate network. Then search Wondershare and select the product you want to promote. So Wondershare Filmora has these affiliate managers. The first one is Commission Junction, second one is Share a Sale, and third one is Rakuten Link Share. The fourth one is Link Connector and the fifth one is My Commerce. So you can select any one of these services, click on sign up to create an account, and if you have an already existing account, click on the login button. So click on sign up button on this page and you will see another page opening up. So I'm going to use Commission Junction for signing up for the Filmora affiliate program. When you click on the sign up button under Commission Junction, this will open up this page. On this page, you will have to choose your language, choose your country, type in your email, create a password, confirm your password, select I'm not a robot, complete the verification captcha, click on verify and select verify email. After you click on verify email, CJ Publisher will send a message to your Gmail account. You will have to click on that link in your email and click on create my CJ Publisher account. So now we are going to open our Gmail account. So open Gmail account in new tab, click on the CJ affiliate message and click on create my CJ Publisher account. After you click on this account, you will see a new page opening up. On this page, click on both of these checks. After you select them, click on read the publisher service agreement. So make sure you click on this link because if you don't click on it, you won't be able to accept this agreement. So click on this link and click on accept agreement. Click on this link. Now choose accept agreement. So when you are going to click on these links, the accept agreement button will open up. Now all these agreements have been accepted. Click on continue to account. After you click on continue to account, here you'll have to enter your Gmail account. Click on continue. Here you'll have to enter your Gmail address. Click on continue and enter your password that you just created. Now click on continue. After that, you'll be successfully logged into your CJ affiliate network. Click on get started. You have to enter your user information by clicking on this add user information button. You'll have to complete your profile, add promotional property, accept the terms, submit forms, add payment information, and after that click on activate account. And after activating your account, you will be successfully logged into your CJ publishing account. On this page, click on the partners button at the top left, then click on find advertisers. When you click on find advertisers, you will see another page opening up. Here, you'll have to place your cursor in this advertisers field and type in Wondershare. Then select Wondershare and click on the search button. When you click on search, you will see Wondershare in these results. Click on it and you will see all the program details on this page. Click on this apply to program button and you will be successfully promoted to the page where you can sign up for the Wondershare Filmora affiliate program. But for that, you'll have to first of all verify your account, and after verifying, you'll be successfully able to join the Filmora affiliate program with this button that says apply to program. So that's how you can join the Wondershare Filmora affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.